Hi everyone, I am Vijay. This is my friend Mukund and Rahul Karthik. We are studying in grade 9 Bharath Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School, Ilanji, Tenkasi district. Our project aims to stop drunk driving.
In Tamil Nadu, last year, 3,000 cases were filed in drunken driving.
Before we look into the open project, let's see the components. First, the L298 motor driver, then the Arduino Uno, then the MQ3 sensor. First, the Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno is a microcontroller user-friendly device. It has Atmel Atmaga 380 IC.
It has 14 digital pins and 6 analog pins and 5 power pins.
L298 motor driver. It controls the speed and direction of the geared motors. It has Hz rigid AC.
The MQ3 sensor. The MQ3 sensor can sense LPG, alcohol, butane, methane, etc. In our project, it senses alcohol. Now let us look at the open project.
We have placed the MQ3 sensor in the steering of the car. When the driver enters the car with the influence of alcohol, the MQ3 sensor suddenly detects the alcohol and sends a signal to the Arduino. Arduino Uno will send the signal to the L298 motor driver. Then the motor driver will stop the gear motors. This may lead to stop the drunken drive accidents. Now we will show you a demo. We have used the sanitizer which contains ethyl alcohol instead of a driver who has alcohol. The car stops when the driver enters the car with the influence of alcohol. Now the car has started. Here, the car stops when the driver enters the car with the influence of alcohol. Therefore, the driver cannot able to start the car if he are drunk. Thank you.